Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Twitter. So many users want to know how you can change the username, name or Twitter handle. So in this video, I will show you how to do this. So first of all, just open the Twitter application on your mobile and now tap on your profile icon. Tap settings and support, settings and privacy. Click on your account, tap on this account information. Click on this username and you can see that your username is here. So whatever you want, just type it like this. If your username is taken already, you can see that you can't use this name. Username has already been taken. So you have to choose a unique name. Now tap on this done button and now you can see that your username has been changed. You can see 7866, it's done. So that's how you can change your username on Twitter. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.